Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fish pakora. First, select a firm white fish, such as cod or tilapia, weighing about 1 pound. Cut the fish into uniform 1-inch pieces. This ensures they cook evenly. It's crucial to pat the fish very dry with paper towels before marinating. This step helps the batter adhere better and results in a much crisper pakora. Let's get started on the marinade next. Now, let's prepare the flavorful batter that makes pakora so delicious. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of gram flour, also known as besan, with 2 tablespoons of rice flour for extra crispiness. Stir in 1 teaspoon each of fresh ginger garlic paste and vibrant red chili powder. Don't forget to add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder for color and a tiny pinch of baking soda to make them light and airy. Mix these dry ingredients well. With your dry ingredients ready, it's time to create the batter. Gradually add about 3/4 cup of water, mixing until you achieve a thick, smooth consistency without lumps. The batter should cling to the fish. Carefully dip each fish piece, ensuring it's fully coated. Heat vegetable oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the pakora in batches for 3 to 4 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Drain on paper towels. Your homemade fish pakora is now ready to be enjoyed. Garnish the hot pakora with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a generous squeeze of lemon juice for a burst of freshness. Serve them immediately with your favorite mint chutney, tamarind sauce, or a spicy dipping sauce. They are perfect as an appetizer or a snack. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.